Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here again with you today. Got another DAC headphone amp unboxing for you. This is the FiiO K7. I have a FiiO portable headphone amplifier and DAC combo. It's like the Q something. I think it's the Q3. I'm not sure. I've had it for like almost 3 years now, so I'll put it on the screen here though. But anyway, as you probably saw in my last video, I'm looking for a new DAC. There we go. Headphone amp combo for my desktop. Oh, it's going to come out this way. Okay, and there's still another box in there. All right. Instruction manual. Don't need that. Ooh. I like the feel of this right off the bat. So I got this one and the topping DX3, which I've already been testing, as you have seen. Nice little foam around the ring there. There's the front of the unit. Oh, nice, nice. Fairly smooth volume pot. These are your, I think this is power, output power, and then this is your mode. One nice thing about this is that, first of all, it has a balanced headphone output. Another nice thing is it has an RCA output that is either line out or variable. Then of course you got your DAC inputs here. Now, unlike the topping, one thing I like about this is that I think it will better match the aesthetics of my Emotiva Mini X amplifier in there. Doesn't mean I'm going to pick it for that very reason. We will see how it turns out, but that's the amp itself. It doesn't feel like super heavy, but it doesn't feel light and cheap. This is clearly metal. So that's that. Set that aside. See what else is in here. A box. Yay. Okay, should I open it? All right, I will. Another pull tabby thing. Guessing this is going to be power supply and some cabling. This ain't my first rodeo, guys. Yep. Looks like we've got our USB cable. I had the other one from the topping. I don't think I'm going to A-B them at the same time, so I'll just keep that in there. Throw that out of the way. Okay. Here we have your standard 3.5 to 6.55 millimeter adapter, dime a dozen. Here is the first half of the power brick. Looks like this is a 2-segmented power brick. Well, that is what it is, I guess. Here's the rest of that. This will go into that power brick that I showed you. Pretty straightforward. More instructions, probably about the power, and that's it. Well, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Stay tuned for more information on this product, as well as a comparison to the topping DX3 Pro Plus that I'm already testing out right now. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee.